Embarking on your 1L journey? Let's navigate the best ways to maximize Themis UWorld's free 1L Law School Essentials. Step 1. Launch 1L Law School Essentials from the Themis website and create a UWorld account. Step 2. Begin with Professor Ide-Don's Orientation Skills lectures, diving into chapters 1 through 8 before your classes commence. They lay the foundation for effective study habits. Step 3. Keep the knowledge fresh. Watch the substantive videos weekly or whenever a relevant topic is covered in class. These bite-sized chapters reinforce what you learned, filling in any gaps. Test yourself on key concepts of black-letter law using practice questions. They're organized by subject to make it easier to assess your knowledge of first-year law school topics. Practice constructing well-reasoned arguments with our essay question bank, which is also organized by subject. And as you delve deeper, the key concept sheets become your ally. They break things down, making it easier for you to create personalized study aids. After grasping major topics, harness the Flashcards feature and My Notebook to craft your own study aids. Don't forget to weave in those crucial notes from the lecture videos. Midterms approaching? It's the perfect time to consume the remaining orientation skills videos. Stay consistent, incorporate practice questions, and frequently revisit flashcards, My Notebook, and your notes. And if you ever feel lost, the comprehensive outline is always there for a deep dive. As your semester comes to a close, simulate your finals. Construct final exam type tests using our platform. This hones your readiness and calms those nerves. Your 1L journey does not have to be overwhelming. With Themis UWorld's free law school essentials, you're geared up for success every step of the way.